Book of Heaven, Volume 12, June 22nd, 1920. The sanctity of the humanity of Jesus was complete absence of self-interest. I was bringing the whole human family to my sweet Jesus, according to my usual way, praying, repairing, substituting in the name of all for what each one is obliged to do. But while I was doing this, a thought told me, think and pray for yourself. Don't you see in what a pitiful state you have reduced yourself? And I was almost about to do so when my sweet Jesus, moving in my interior and pulling me to himself, told me,
"My daughter, why do you want to move away from my likeness? I never thought about myself. The sanctity of my humanity was complete absence of self-interest. I did nothing for myself, but I did and suffered everything for creatures. My love can be called true, because it is marked by disinterest for my own self. Wherever there is interest, it cannot be said that there is a fount of truth. On the other hand, the soul with no self-interest is the one who comes forward the most. And as she comes forward, the sea of my grace takes her from behind, inundating her in such a way as to make her remain completely submerged without her thinking about it. On the contrary, one who thinks about herself is last. The sea of my grace is in front of her, and she is the one who has to cross the sea by arm strokes, if she manages at all. In fact, the thought of herself will create many obstacles for her, such as to strike into her the fear of diving into my sea, and she runs the risk of remaining on the shore.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.